What's going on, guys? It's me, Lindsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can actually build a affiliate marketing business just using free Facebook strategies. And the reason why I want to talk about this video today is because about a few weeks ago, not a few weeks ago, but the week before last, for a particular business that I am building using social media, I had did a 30-minute training letting people know how they can actually get free signups into their business, get more team members for their business, more sales, just using free Facebook marketing. And when I thought about it, I was like, you know what? It translates the same way if you want to build an affiliate marketing business, right? So I know even with some of the videos that I have done, I talked about, using Facebook groups. Some people on YouTube talk about, using, paid advertising like through Facebook, doing all that type of stuff. Well, you know what? All that stuff works. But I know that quite a few people who are watching my channel, you don't have the funds just yet to drop into, paid advertising. And especially with paid advertising, it does require some testing, right? I really want to dispel that myth that, just because you place, people feel like you can get a lot of success using paid Facebook ads, okay? You can, right? Same thing with Google ads and everything else. And most people feel that they can just place one ad and they will be multimillionaires, okay? And that's not the case. You still have to, not only place the ad, but you may have to do some split testing. You may have to tweak some things to the ad so that way it's performing at its complete best. And when it does, yes, it will churn out money for you every single day, guys, right? But I really want to focus on today's video on how you can do that with just affiliate marketing and how you can have success just using free Facebook strategies, right? So this works perfect if you already are kind of active on Facebook or whatever else and you already kind of post often. All we're going to do right now, we're just going to change up the way you're posting so that way you can monetize your Facebook so you can start to make more money, okay? So I'm going to just flip over to the screen, show you my Facebook really quick, guys, and give you guys kind of like a little visual of what I'm talking about so that way you can start building a profitable affiliate marketing business just using Facebook, guys, okay? So let me go ahead and just switch the screen. Boop. Okay, guys, so I'm going to quickly just talk about how you can actually sell very quickly, sell profitably using your social media using Facebook, okay, guys? So with Facebook, most of you, some of you probably don't use it as much. I'm telling you guys, if you're not using Facebook as part of your marketing, your daily marketing, you're definitely sleeping on it, right? Because, I mean, I know some people have like their main focus, like they really focus on YouTube and maybe Instagram for their marketing or whatever else. And that's fine, right? You definitely want to make sure that you do that. When you want to start to expand and add another social media channel, add Facebook in here because it's very simple to do. What you want to do on Facebook is you got to remember that you have to be social, right? You want to be social and you don't want to be just focused on trying to get the sale, right? So with Facebook, people like to see you. Like you guys can see right here, I just posted this picture a few minutes ago. This morning, I just took a picture of my face or whatever. And, people like pictures like that. They want to see you. They want to see something about your life, right? So if you're going out to the beach or something like that, take some pictures or whatever else. People want to see that. They want to get to know you. They want to see more about your life, right? So you have to just take that into account when it comes to your Facebook marketing, okay? And like I said, you don't want to focus solely on sales, right? You don't want to do that, right? So as you guys see here, like I posted a picture of myself saying good morning. I was letting people know, this is kind of funny. So I was just up in Tallahassee this past weekend. My cousin wanted to sell some t-shirts there. And the guy who let her sell t-shirts on his property, he wasn't getting a lot of people to, I guess, come there to buy parking. So I sold out his entire parking lot in 2 hours while we were there. So that's the reason I was talking about that, right? But, I just share something about my life, right? I do like, little motivational quotes or something like that, right? What else I talk about on here? Let's see. This is kind of like a value post, right? So you definitely want to do some value-based marketing, right? So what I mean by value-based marketing is you want to teach your community something, right? So if you're in affiliate marketing and you just learned something on YouTube, then why not share that with the people that you're connected with on your social media? And what you want to do is that you want to make sure that you're talking to the right audience. Excuse me. Right? So if I want to be talking about like, promoting products that are for the make money online niche, for the affiliate marketing, internet marketing niche, then I need to make sure that my audience includes people who are inside of that niche. If my friends list only just includes people who are just my friends and family, of course they're not going to buy anything, and of course you're going to struggle and you're not going to get sales because they have no interest in what you're trying to offer to them pretty much on your social media. So that's why you want to make sure that you are, talking to the right audience, right? So if you're like in affiliate marketing and something like that, you want to join groups like ClickFunnels, does JV Zoo have a Facebook group? I don't know. I think JV Zoo has an affiliate group or something like that. But there's a lot of groups on here just for affiliate marketing. My Facebook group, Digital Rockstar Nation, for passive and affiliate marketing, passive income and affiliate marketing. That's an affiliate marketing group, right? So you get inside of those groups, you interact with people, and now you're being in front of the audience of people who are more than likely to buy your products. Those are people that you need to make sure that you have in front of you. Like I said, if you just only have family and friends, that's the reason why you're not selling. If you only have like 100 friends, that's the reason why you're not selling. You have to be consistent in your growth of your social media, and you also have to curate it, right? Like for me, like I always tell people, you want to aim to max out your friends list. I never reached the the 5,000 friend mark on my social media because I'm always curating my social media. Like I'm deleting people, I'm adding new people, I'm deleting people. I'm always constantly doing that. So I never max out, right? Because there's going to be a lot of people on there that you don't want to hear what they're talking about. They're not talking about what you're talking about. They're not being positive. They're on some negative shit, and you don't want to be around. You don't want that in your environment, pretty much, guys, right? So be mindful of the people that you are putting your offers in front of, okay? But that's how you start doing that. You start getting around people that you need to be around. I'm doing live streams, right? So I'm just giving value. How to translate your offline reality into your online business. So basically, that work ethic that you put into your full-time job, you got to put that same work ethic into your online business if you want to have success with it. And if you, like, so many people reach out to me because they want to leave their 9-to-5 job, just like how I did. But you know what? You got to have that same work ethic. That doesn't mean like because you have an online business that you put less work in and you treat it like a hobby. If you treat it like that, you will never leave. You'll never leave your 9-to-5 job, like you always say, right? But this is what you want to do. And while you're out giving value and things like that, a few times per day, you want to put out a sales post, right? So a sales post, let's say like if you are an affiliate marketer, and let's say you are promoting ClickFunnels, right? So you can talk about flat out like how like you've been using ClickFunnels and how it's been making you a lot of money because you've been able to automate your sales process a little bit more and be less hands-on because you created a profitable sales funnel with ClickFunnels, right? So you can do something like that, kind of give like a little testimonial, like a story post, include your link to your ClickFunnels affiliate, your affiliate link, and that's the way you can start generating sales, right? It's going to be the same thing. You can do that. You can do flat out just sales posts, meaning like, hey guys, it's get started with ClickFunnels. It's a 14-day trial. And just be hardcore, flat out post. Like, hey, buy this right now. Buy my shit right now. You can be a flat out post like this. And then like another type of post that you can do for selling, again, is to tell some type of story, share a testimonial. Maybe like it's somebody who inside of ClickFunnels who did over $1 million in commissions just selling the ClickFunnels, using the ClickFunnels affiliate program. You could share that story and like, hey guys, if you want to know more about ClickFunnels and how this guy did over $1 million in the last, I think it was like 18 months, just promoting ClickFunnels, then I want you guys to go ahead and click on this link, okay? Just by doing that and doing that consistently and growing your audience, providing value, and again, doing a few sales posts throughout the day, you can start getting some, generating sales for your business. And when you start generating those sales, what you want to do with that money, instead of spending it, put it back into your business and actually invest into paid advertising so that way you can scale higher and that way you can actually make more money every single day, guys. That's how you can simply use Facebook marketing to get more affiliate sales. And again, guys, it's not anything different from what most people are already doing. Most people are already posting on Facebook or whatever else. But all we're doing right now is that we're just changing the way you're posting to make sure that you're more positive, that you're providing value, that you are getting in front of the right audience, and then also doing a few sales posts a day, like 2 sales posts a day. You don't want to have your entire Facebook just covered with sales posts. Do 2 sales posts a day and do about 6 posts, like 4 or 5, 6 posts of just getting value. You can post something like for funny, like millionaires and more info people have the same 24 hours. You can post little things like that. Share something about your life, your story, so people can know more about you and relate to you. You can also do live streams. Live streams is a great way for you to connect with your audience. And when they build that connection with you, they build that rapport with you, more than likely they might end up buying from you. Okay? And again, all of this is free. We haven't spent any money, right? All you're doing is just showing up more onto your social media, and that's how you're going to increase the amount of sales that you're going to get inside of your business, guys. So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also hit that notification bell so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. Until the next video, guys. Peace. Oh, yeah, and also visit my website, linsaymore.com. Visit there and get a lot of more info about affiliate marketing and the other reviews that I have done. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.